I hope there is something amazingly beautiful waiting for us. Hi guys, so this is day 2 at Pangar Chula. We are going to leave the tents here, and obviously GoPro is not going to work in this light. So till sunrise, we'll shoot everything on our cell phones. Then I do have these pair of micro spikes. These are not technically crampons, but they'll help you walk on snow. There's a huge ascent on this trek, and altogether snow is making it extremely difficult for us. My feet are super numb. Whew. Guys, this place is very cold. We have been walking since morning 3 a.m. and now we don't have anything to eat. We have a situation here right now. The local guide along with us was not really interested in opening this route today. You can see one of the team members, Mr. Naveen. He's the one who's trying to open up the route. Once he passes through that, then everyone can go. So this is the job of the first person. He'll use 2 snow sticks and he'll get into snow. And this is what is called route opening. So guys, the guide has given a clear no to Pangar Chula, because the snow that you see here is powder snow, and these rocks you see, right, there are huge gaps in between them, so we can hurt ourselves. And if we hurt ourselves at this point, then it will be extremely difficult for us to go back at the campsite. There's no food, no water at all. We are very close. Why we really want to do it, because I guess this is the 6th or 7th trek which I want to do just to improve my skill set, and I'm not able to reach up to the peak. This area, right, the boulder section, if there would have been a hard ice, then would have negotiated it very well. So guys, we are leaving Pangar Chula behind. Yes, we are sad, but a moment like this might come into your life and you might feel sad about it. But whatever feelings you have, keep them aside for a while until unless you reach safe and sound to the campsite. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to do, just block that thing right now. Because what I have noticed, what I have read, what I have seen in that maximum accidents, maximum deaths, maximum injuries happen on your way back from the summit. Because we feel, okay, our job is done, we are done for the day, but technically the job is just 50% done. So from here, the rest 50% is remaining. So guys, these were the shoes I was wearing. These are the shoes this guy was wearing. These are shit. These are still okay. That's where Pangar Chula lies now. And now we have traced our path back. So guys, we are at Talli top and we can see Quarry Pass in front of us. So now we'll just descend down to our camping site. We'll stay there for the night. Tomorrow's plan is not sure, but definitely we'll get down to Joshimath. The trail from here is same as what we followed in the morning. From the camping site down to Gasi village, getting into our car, dropping the equipment back to Joshimath, and then heading back to civilization. If you really think what I'm doing is something that you would also love, do tag along with me in future treks. Pangar Chula has been a great learning experience. I think this should work. This was fun. I seriously wish to see this peak again in future.